Excuse me, how much you bench?
About 250.
Alright, good evening, what is Gucci? We are back in the kitchen for another meal prep video. Today we are doing sweet chili lime chicken, and we'll go over a little bit of what we're working with. We got 2.5 pounds of chicken here, the mixing bowl for the dressing, soy sauce, garlic, marmalade, sweet chili heat sauce, brown sugar, and the lime juice, and we're going to use the sesame seeds as a finishing garnish. So what we're going to do with this is we're going to mix up these ingredients into the bowl, and then we're going to put the chicken and about 3/4 of the bowl into a Ziploc baggie. We're going to stick that in the fridge for about 30 minutes while we take care of the rice. After that point, we're going to bring it out and we're going to bake it for about 45 minutes, give or take. And then we're going to put that remaining sauce back on the top of the already cooked chicken breasts, and we're going to put those in the containers, and we're going to be done meal prep for the week. Alright guys, we'll come back at it once the sauce is ready to go.